This is so magical. And here's what I realize. What time is it? It's now. That's what time it is. Time to be in the now. This is so beautiful. Am I able to turn the camera around while I'm recording? Wow. I just want to say how grateful I am that I get these moments and that I take them, that I stop to capture these precious moments. Whether it was recording or not, I'd be stopping and just embracing this moment that I get to watch these horses just frolic and show love. What a blessing. And that's not to say that I don't have places to go right now, but this moment, it means more to me than being on time for have-tos. But then again, I give myself time. I never rush. I give myself ample time to be places for these exact reasons, so that I don't feel pressured from time and I can take this moment and still very well be on time. Because what time is it? Now. That's all that's real. Right here, right now. Please make the time to take the time to embrace any moments that you can that bring you joy. That's my message for the day. Hope you enjoyed these horses as much as me. Much love and light as we all rise and shine. Please don't hesitate to comment, leave a question, subscribe, share in this journey we call life as we're all figuring out how to be more present, how to be more conscious, how to have more fun. It's all mind, body, soul balance. Understanding. Very most important thing, I think, is that the only thing that's real is the here and now. So embrace each moment. Much love and light.